Okay, that's the makeup done. Let's start. Ah, there you are. You're early. Hello everyone, welcome back. So today it's one of my quick impromptu unboxing first impressions videos. So in these ones I don't put any comedy intros or clever editing, just a little quickie bonus video, and it's usually when I buy a new fragrance and I want to share it with you. Slight mishap because I just tried once and there was a little problem with the sound, so it came in a box like this. It was from eBay in the UK, and the fragrance that I've picked up this week is Artisan Pure from John Varvatos. You may have seen me mention this because I had a sample in my video that I did recently on reasonably recent releases that I tried out a few of. This was one of my favourites, so I decided to pick up a bottle. Got it for about £37 I think through eBay in the UK. It's a brand new one from some kind of shop on eBay. So already starting to crop up for slightly discounted prices. It's had some hype in the community, or at least some really good comments from other reviewers. Jeremy Fragrance put it in his recent summer list. Lots of people saying good things about this one. The perfumer is Rodrigo Flores-Roux, the man who also did Neroli Portofino and Fougère Royale from Hubigant, one of my other real favourite fragrances. So I'll let you know the note listing. We're going to have in this one in the top lemon, bergamot, mandarin, clementine, thyme and marjoram. In the mid, petitgrain, ginger, and that's the mid. And in the base, woods, orris root, amber and musk. So, nice box. The bottle is really, really nice. So let's find out. Oh, let's have a look at that. There it is. Okay, so a lovely kind of wicker basket effect, as with a lot of, or pretty much all of the other or certainly others of the John Varvatos range have this, and generally this shape of bottle. So I really like that, and it's this white colour, kind of in keeping with the freshness that we would hope to get from this fragrance. So let's spray some on a tester strip and check it out. So one tiny bit of editing coming up. There we go. Oh, yes. Okay. Really, really nice, fresh, invigorating opening. Very natural smelling mixture of lemon, mandarin, bergamot, clementine. I can't honestly pretend I can pick out the differences between those notes in the context of this fragrance, but a very fresh, citrusy opening. But what I pick up on as well as that is this kind of nice herbal element and a spicy element. So the thyme, the marjoram, the ginger, maybe the greenness of the petitgrain, all very much present and giving us a nice kind of, if you can have a three-dimensional smell, a three-dimensional olfactory experience that's not flat and dull. It's very citrusy, but it's also got other fresh elements complementing that really nicely. It smells very natural and so much better than so many other citrus freshies from designer houses. Doesn't have any of that slightly tiresome blue cologne smell that we get with Dior Sauvage, Bleu de Chanel, Bulgari Aqua Atlantique, all those ones that we've had out lately. Doesn't have the kind of too much of that lemon floor cleaner smell that you could say maybe is in the other recent release, Dolce & Gabbana's light blue Italian Zest. It's got a really natural feel, and I really, really like that about this one. So lovely fresh citrus, reminding me a little bit maybe of Ferrari's Bright Neroli, perhaps of Tom Ford's Neroli Portofino. Some reviewers do mention that they pick up on a Neroli note in this one. I think they might well be right. And it reminds me a little bit of some of my favourite Acqua di Parma colonias, but a bit more modern than that. Doesn't have that sort of old school floral element that some of those do. But what it does have is really, really beautiful mixture of citrus, greenness, and a little bit of spiciness and herbal elements. When I tried my tester out, the dry down was really nice as well, with a nice white musk and woods combination that I really liked. So let's see how it goes now. I've got a full bottle to play with. Might well be featuring in my summer list coming up really soon. I think it's a strong contender to get a good placing in that one. Let me know if you've tried Artisan Pure. I'm going to agree with other reviewers who've said good things. I think it's one of the best citrus fragrances on our shelves today, and definitely one of the best recent releases from a designer house. So really excited to add this to the collection. That's about it for today. Thanks ever so much for joining me in this little fun quickie. Now don't forget to check out my Instagram page, where I post a picture of my scent of the day every day, and I give a little mini review so you can keep up with what I'm up to there. And you might even want to have a look at my written review blog, where the most recent review is Chinotto di Liguria, just from a sample by Acqua di Parma. So thanks for joining me. Remember, whatever you're doing in life, let's project. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.